This is the wee tram station when you get to Altea. You just get off, you don't have to stamp your ticket or anything, you just leave and come out through the building. This is Altea beachfront. Hello, hello. Bit of a sea break here, but I was going to walk out along it. I was thinking about risking life and limb jumping across them. The day's work to get out there. But wow, I think that'd be a really good fishing spot away out there if you could make your way out there gradually, but I'll leave that for another day. Water's lovely turquoise colours here. It's all stirred up a bit. Must say, some fantastic views here. A lot quieter than Benidorm, sort of a sleepy wee place. Look at the colour of that water. The beach is a bit stony. I would say it's a bit rough at times. Those waves throwing the stones up into quite a bank there. And then the whole way back along the beach. And it's quite a long beach. It goes the whole way down there. You can see a few storm breaks the whole way down. It's supposed to break the current up a bit for people. I would say that beach is about a mile long by the looks of it. There's some beautiful headlands, big rocks, especially that one out in the end there. Don't think it would be the best swimming area. There seems to be a lot of currents there. There's a lot of backwash in the water. So it's more visually to look at than any sports or swimming or anything like that. Nice wee shaded area here, a few sort of quite run down table tennis and some chessboard. That gives you somewhere to go out of the hot sun. Marina here, quite a few boats in it, sort of all small to medium size, a lot of fishing boats, a lot of like day touring boats, private boats. I suppose you'd come down to Altea if you were into sailing and things like that. Somewhere to berth your boat, have a base for yourself. There's water here in the harbour, there's quite a few fish, don't know if the camera picks them up, some reasonable size ones. Lots of small fry fish, whitebait. And a few bigger fish darting among them, I suppose hoovering them up or whatever. So the water must be fairly clean, though it looks a bit green and murky. My camera here tells you the depth of water when you're looking into it. It says it's about 1.1 metres. Maybe at the side here, but I'm sure it's deeper further out. Lovely little sort of park here, just at the centre of town. Lots of nice palm trees, areas to sit out in the shade. Amazing views. Well, we found Altea to be really beautiful. The water was absolutely stunning. The beach is a wee bit sort of rocky, so it's not ideal for like sunbathing and lying out on or for kids playing in, but the scenery more than makes up for it. Now, we found the place to be a wee bit sort of sleepy, sort of ideal artisan place, or if you want to escape and get away for a while. Very different to Benidorm, where it's hectic all the time. So definitely recommend it. It's a wee bit quiet. Some lovely restaurants on the boardwalk and all the little treed and sitting areas in the parks along it are absolutely amazing. So this video was sort of part one. Part two now, we're going to go up to the Dome of the Mediterranean, the big church on the hill. Going to walk up through Calle San Miguel, the old village, up to the church Senora del Consuela. So I'll put the link at the end of this video. So if you want to see that part, it's actually stunning going up through the old village and the church. And we sit at a nice cafe and have a meal outside it in the sun. So that's worth checking out. So thanks for watching. And remember, please, to subscribe, like, and share.
You have no time to retire